Welcome back, Crammers, to question 11. Simplify c times c times c times c times c times c. When multiplying powers, these are all to the power of 1, we simply add them. So we get c to the power of 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So that's c to the power of 6. Simplify 2h cubed plus 5h cubed minus h cubed. So the coefficient of h here is 1. So you simply write 2 plus 5 minus 1 to h cubed. So 2 plus 5, that's 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. So we get 6h cubed. Expand x into x plus 5. When multiplying polynomials, we always multiply to everything inside the bracket. So we can see here, x times x, as I said before, x times x to the power of 1 is just adding the power. So that's 1 plus 1. So we get x squared. So x squared plus x times 5, that's just 5x. Factorize 9y minus 12. I can see here that the highest common factor here is 3. So I can write 3 here. And since y is not shared between them, I can go ahead and keep it inside the bracket. So 9y divided by 3 is 3y minus 12 divided by 3 is 4. So our final answer is 3 into 3y minus 4. Rosanna sells M small bags of marbles and P large bag of marbles. Each small bag contains 15 marbles. Each large bag contains 40 marbles. The total number of marbles that Rosanna sells is T. Draw down a formula for T in terms of M and P. So when it says in terms, that means T is equal to something done with M and something done with P. So we can see here that M is actually how many small bags Rosanna sells multiplied by 15. So we can write here the total is equal to 15 times M, that's 15M, plus 40 times P. So we have 40P, and that is our final answer. T is equal to 15M plus 40P. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.